Hi there, this is Steve Pudsey, AJS Little London. I'm doing a centre stand change today. This is the new one, this is the old one. Basically what normally happens is these get bent quite bad by people sitting on the scooter and then rocking it to and fro, but well, you can basically see this is the new one, this is the old one. Severely bent out of shape. When it's sitting on, it's literally like so. Anyway, the thing about these is you've got to change the springs, okay, or take the springs off. These springs are okay, they're working well. If you're going to change them, or if you lose springs, I've seen a few people on the forums, on the sites, talk about them. Now you can get a tool like this. It's a spring puller, but these springs are freaking hard to stretch, but there's an easy way of doing this, okay? And basically you're going to use the stand itself. So why it's hanging down, you can see I've taken this stand off, okay? There's my new stand. I'm going to locate the nipple there as so. See if I let that focus in, hopefully. There we go. Now I can use the stand and I can push with that. Oh, I can't do this with one hand, but I can push that down, line that up. If you've got someone to help you, it'll be good. I can do this normally with one hand and then the screwdriver, and then I can push the retaining bolt and make sure you've got your collar. Without your collar, it will wear through the nut and bolt that goes through it. The collar is to stop it and to give it good movement. So that's a quick and easy way of doing the springs if you haven't got a tool, like so. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Cheers.